Ladies and gentlemen, the gigantic of our time.
I've always played politics with ethics, but in the course of time, I've realized that ethical politics is mistaken for weakness. Time has come when we'll put our foot down and take a decision on the basis of which will prosper their collective well-being. For their trust for me, they have put their own future in my hands. I cannot blind myself to the challenges of PDP and decide not to know what to do at the right time for their sake. So let me say you as a very clear warning. I am a very, very smart person, but I carry humility. And I know you are somebody who doesn't take injustice. One single injustice, they will see a new Cross River State. One single injustice. And I say it as a warning, because it does appear that your party seems to celebrate people who threaten and stress them. All the councillors, PDP, all the House of Assemblies, PDP, all the commissioners, PDP, all the National Assembly except one, PDP, all of them honor my leadership into the elections. So it is not now that somebody can discuss what structure and strategy I need. But I'm happy that you have created the opportunity for a melodrama. So today I am seated and dancing on the fence. Indeed, that's true. And so I speak with righteous anger for the continuous annoyance and nuisance orchestrated on our innocent state by external factors. But I just hope that this ends today. And so please, as I leave you with some holy whispers, which will be very strong, firm, and clear, it's a harbinger of trouble. While I believe in the ecclesiastics of peace, I believe in a catechism of good faith, but I also believe in a respect for the supremacy of an office. So if you take a catalytic combination of all I have said, it tells you that there's a need for a guided caution, pussyfooting and snobbery going forward as a people, as a party. I think time has come when all of us will gather to say, enough is enough.
Always maintain the balance of power in Nigeria. Since the First Republic, you are going to go far in the politics of Nigeria. I want you to continue to exercise patience, because leadership is about accommodation, about stakeholding. You have a lot of challenges within the PDP, but I know with your intellect, with your capacity, this is not insurmountable. You are able to do it, and as a senator of the Federal Republic, and me also a senator, being deputized by a senator, we want to show you solidarity. We are urging our colleagues in the National Assembly to give you support, because this is a National Assembly leadership that we are showing. In the National Assembly, you learn a lot, because that is a melting point. Definitely no wonder you are doing what you are doing.